everybody, ho ho ho, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today we are on advent number 9. Woo! So what colour have we got today? Oh, we've got a little black bag and a little star. So what colour do you think it is today? Well, yesterday we had this beautiful, I suppose, now I can see, it's like a pink. It is, yeah it is, it's like a pinky coral. So that was yesterday. So what do you think we've got today? What do you think we've got today? Get it open. All excited, can't get it open. Oh, 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 wow. Look at that, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, I like that one. It is number 9. Yeah, it is. It's number 9. Just for a moment I thought I'd done it wrong, but yeah. Look at that. That is beautiful. So that is number 8 and that is number 9. Wow. This shawl is going to be looking rather snazzy, I think. And I think when I've done it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get dressed up in black, put a nice black dress on, get dressed up, put the mask on and put the shawl on, because I think black would really showcase it. So I've got little ideas on what I'm going to do. So yeah, I can't wait now to get to the 9th, but I've got to finish this other shawl off first before I do that. So oh, I'm excited, guys. So yeah, so that is today's colour, which is like a pinky purple, I think. Yeah, look at that. Look at all the different shades. So this girl is excited. So she's going to be doing a Linda today and tomorrow and Saturday, because hopefully this shawl that I want done is finished, and then I can get on and knit my advent shawl. Now that I can see all the colours coming together. Woohoo! Okay guys, that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you'll come back again tomorrow. Stay safe. Yeah, well, stay safe. Take care. Be kind to you. And I'll see you all tomorrow for advent number 10. Woo-hoo! Bye for now.